In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conversion tracking for Google Ads. If you've ever wondered whether your ads are actually driving meaningful actions, conversion tracking is how you find out. Conversions are the valuable things people do after interacting with your ads, like submitting a form, making a purchase, or engaging with your business in a way that matters. Setting this up gives you accurate reporting, smarter bidding, and clearer insight into what's working. Start inside your Google Ads account. At the top left, click Create, then choose Conversion Action. This is the central place where you define what success looks like for your campaigns. You're not changing your ads here. You're simply telling Google Ads what to measure. Next, select where you want to measure conversions. Think about where your outcomes happen. It could be on your website, inside a mobile app, over the phone, or brought in from another platform or system. Choose the sources that fit your business. And remember, you can select multiple if your customer journey spans more than one place. For example, you might track online purchases from your site and demo requests coming from a form, all alongside calls that start from your ads. From there, follow the steps for each type of measurement you chose. Google Ads will walk you through a guided setup tailored to each source. The prompts will help you define what the action is, how it should be recognized, and how it should be valued. Use clear names so you can easily tell actions apart later. Align your values with your goals, so your reporting and automated bidding make sense. If you're tracking more than one type, repeat the same process for each, staying consistent with naming and settings. Once you've completed the guided steps for every conversion type you want to track, you're done. It's normal for data to take a bit of time to appear in your reports, so don't worry if you don't see numbers immediately. Keep an eye on your conversions columns to confirm that activity is being recorded, and use these insights to understand which campaigns, keywords, and audiences are truly moving the needle. A quick recap: create a new conversion action, choose where you want to measure results, remember you can track more than one source, and follow the on-screen instructions for each selection. That's all it takes to unlock accurate measurement and give your campaigns the feedback they need to improve performance over time.